Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, make sure you subscribe and turn your notification bell on. All right, let's hop into this video. Some of you guys may be familiar with chebe powder, and for those of you who don't know what chebe is, I'll put you guys on today. So chebe is actually a plant that's derived in Africa. It's found all over Africa, but in the Chad Republic, the Chadian women are known for their extremely long lengths of hair. They are known for having hair that just never breaks off since their childhood. Chebe powder is known for its great benefits. It's known for strengthening the hair by locking in moisture and retaining length. So when your hair is always moisturized, you'll see less breakage, which means you'll see more length. What the Chadian women do is apply the chebe powder straight to the lengths of their hair and to the ends of their hair. They do not apply it onto the scalp. I think she's just applying some oil to the scalp. But as you can see, she's going to take the chebe and just rub it down the lengths of the hair. And they do this every 3 to 4 days, but I'm going to give this a try. And I think I'm going to just leave mine in overnight or maybe just a couple days since we're quarantined. But here's the ingredients I use for my chebe mixture: coconut and olive oil. And this is what the packaging looks like. It says traditional Chadian chebe powder made in Chad, so it's 100% authentic, and it just gives you a short description with directions and ingredients on the front. This is what the chebe powder looks like. I'm just going to take about 2.5 spoonfuls and go ahead and scoop that into a bowl. So now I'm going to take another bowl and put about 3 spoonfuls of the coconut oil in there. And then I'm going to take my olive oil and do 5 spoonfuls. So now I'm going to go ahead and throw that little oil mixture into the microwave for about 35 seconds. You don't want it in there too long, just long enough where it gets warm enough to mix together just like that. So I'm going to pour that coconut olive oil into my chebe powder and start to mix until I feel like it's a good enough consistency. And guys, please do not mind my nails. You guys have to cope with me during this quarantine. No, seriously, my nails look a mess. I hate it. But I'm just going to continue to stir. And I felt like this was a little too watery for me to apply to my hair. So I went and added probably about another spoonful, I would say another spoonful of chebe powder just to thicken it up a little. And as you can see, that already helped thicken it more. And I'm just going to keep mixing that chebe because it's kind of sitting at the bottom of the bowl. So I'm going to keep mixing until it thickens. And I felt like this was good enough. I'm making a mess. But now it's time to apply. Alright guys, welcome to my bathroom. So as you can see, my hair is damp because you are supposed to apply the chebe powder to damp hair. But first I'm going to apply a dime size amount of leave-in conditioner to my hair. This step isn't necessarily essential, but my hair has been so dry lately, so I just wanted to apply a little bit of leave-in before I applied the chebe. I just wanted to also show you guys what the chebe powder mixture looks like up close. Again, it's coconut, olive, and chebe. Very simple. And as you can see, it's very like a watery, oily consistency. But let's give this a try. So first, I'm just starting off by sectioning my hair into 4 sections. That'll make it easier for the application. And my hair is already detangled. I'm just going to run this wide tooth comb through my hair and start applying. And I started off by using a spoon, but I just realized it was going to get messy regardless. So I said, why not just go ahead and start applying with my hands. And as you can see, I'm just applying to the lengths of my hair and to the ends of my hair, which is the oldest part, so that's the driest part of your hair, which needs the most TLC. And I'm also like packing that in and squeezing it into my hair. So I don't know why. I just feel like it was going to give it more love if I squeezed it and packed it into my hair. So I'm going to continue applying that all throughout my hair until I feel like all of my hair is coated in chebe powder. Now I'm going to start to braid each section of my hair. You want to make sure that your braid is nice and tight. That way the chebe powder is really compacted in there and really locking in that moisture. But you don't want the braid to be too tight because that's still, that can damage your hair still. You want to make sure the braid is just tight enough to where it's really compacted in there. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like up close in the light, and because of the oils, my hair feels super moisturized already, but as you can see, it pretty much just looks like sand. So I'm going to go ahead and take one of my scrunchies and go ahead and put my hair up into a bun. So now I'm just taking this plastic bag. I don't have any deep condition caps at the moment, but this works just as good. And I'm just going to tie that into a nice tight knot because I want to really make sure I trap some heat in there. That way I get the full benefits of this chebe powder. So I'm going to also take another plastic bag and tie that around too because, you don't want this to get onto your pillowcases or your covers and sheets. So just to ensure that everything's good and in place, I'm going to use a scarf and a bonnet to tie that up. And I'm just going to keep this in for about overnight or a day or so, and I'll be back.
2 days later.
Alright guys, so I actually kept this on for a couple of days just to get the full results, and this is just how I've been rocking it with a cute scarf on top since I had my other scarf underneath. And Chattian women apply the chebe powder to their hair every 3 to 4 days. I only kept mine in for 2 days, so I decided I'm going to try to do this at least once a week and keep it in my hair for 2 days every time I try it and update you guys on my monthly results. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out my hair. So I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looked right after I rinsed it. I rinsed my hair with a conditioner and washed that right out. And as you can see, I still have little grains of chebe in my hair. But I did notice immediately my hair was very soft and silky. So I'm going to keep trying this and see how my results are after a month or so. So guys, really quickly, I just want to tell you guys about my results. So first and foremost, when I rinsed it out, I definitely noticed immediately that my hair was super soft and silky. Mind you, this chebe powder is a little on the grainy side. It almost feels like washing, like washing sand out of your hair. When you apply the product and when you take it out, you're gonna have to clean up. My tub was a mess, so I did have to clean that afterwards, of course. So then I went in with some conditioner to rinse it out a little more because I still had chebe powder in my hair. Like, I could still see little tiny grains of chebe in my hair, but it's not a lot. I mean, it'll come out eventually anyways. But it smells so good. I really love the smell of how the chebe powder smells. I really love it. The more you use it, the more of the results you'll see. You want to see your hair growth, you have to stop hair breakage. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you go ahead and purchase some chebe powder, I'll have a link to where you can buy it down in the description box below. Something else I want to tell you guys. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram somewhere over here for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, and share. And stay tuned for my next upload. Mwah.